Hello guys, welcome to Fish Academy. Today I want to show you guys how to pick a live catfish, because so many people do have difficulties in getting hold of a catfish. But today I'm going to show you that. First of all, these are the fingers I'm going to use. This and these are going to be the measure fingers. I mean, this finger and this finger, while this other finger will be placed around the skull here. So this is how to pick a catfish. This fish you are seeing here is still very much alive. It's still very much alive. So this is how I'm going to pick it. So in case you want to get hold of a live catfish and you don't want to be injured, this is their fin. This is a very sharp fin. It's a protective fin. Very sharp and strong. Very sharp and strong. So to get hold of this fish, this is how you go about it. You can see the fish is still alive. So you put this finger, this particular finger, you put it in between, you put it under this particular vein, while this other thumb, while you use your thumb to grab the other vein to the body, while the other one, your fourth finger will be under the vein, while this thumb you use it to press the second vein to the body. So this is how it goes. See, somehow very easy to catch. This is what I was trying to show you. You press this vein, you press this you press this fin to the body, while this other fin, you can see, you can see that. So when you get hold of your catfish this way, no matter how it flips, no matter how it shakes. In fact, when you hold your catfish, it will not even want to shake the body, because you've grabbed it very well. So this is how to hold it. Can you see? But if it's a bigger catfish, you might not be able to hold it this way. This fish is able to enter my hand because it's not that very big. So if it is a bigger catfish, you will not hold it this way. You'll be talking about using both hands, your two hands, to hold the catfish. I have some of the fish that I can't hold with just one hand like this. If you try it, you get yourself injured. So such fish, you get hold of it with your two hands. So this is it. It's still alive, but because I handle it very well, it's not doing anything. Can you see? Let me show you guys one thing again. Let me show you guys something. This happened to be a male fish, a male catfish. It's somehow at times very difficult to know which fish is a male fish or which one is a female fish. But to us like this, that have been into the business for a long time, we don't find it that difficult to identify a female or a male fish. So let's see if this fish is a male fish or a female fish. Can you see? This fish happens to be a male fish, and I'm going to tell you why I said it's a male fish. Female fish, they both have this. The female fish and the male fish, they both have this. But for you to identify which one is a male fish or which one is a female fish, you need to get close to the catfish like this. Once you are close to it like this, you observe that one that this is up. You can lift this particular one. You can lift it a little bit up. Can lift it up. Can you see? Pointed up now. If you leave it, it falls to the body. But the female catfish is flat to the body. You can't lift it up. You can't lift it up. So this is it. Fish, they both urinate and they stool just like human, and they have sex organ, and so this is their own sex organ now. Can you see? I'm lifting it up. Can see it's right on top of my fingernails, but the female catfish, you cannot lift it. It's always flat, and yeah, it's always straight and flat to the body. So this is how to identify a male catfish, or a female or a male catfish. As I said, this fish is still very much alive. Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you very much.